Now we're going to begin adding integers, and in this video we'll concentrate on adding integers that have similar signs. Here's the procedure. Again, it's a two-step process. In the first part of the process, we take the absolute value of the two integers and then just add them together. Afterwards, we include the common sign. So when you're adding two integers, if they're both negative, the result is negative. And if they're both positive, the result is positive. Here's an example, and I'll run through this one. From now on, I'll use the word simplify, but I'll still expect that we count the operators and order them before we start simplifying. To simplify this problem, I start with the first two integers. It's an addition, and the signs are the same, so I add the absolute values. 9 and 2 is 11, and I keep the common sign, so I get a result of negative 11. I now need to add these two integers, and again the signs are the same, so I add their absolute values. 11 and 4 is 15, and I keep the common sign. Here's one for you to try. Here we have 1, 2, 3 operators. I need to start inside the parentheses. In the first set of parentheses, I'm adding, and the signs are the same, so I add their absolute values. 2 plus 3 is 5, and I keep the common sign, so that's a negative 5. In the second set of parentheses, I'm multiplying. 2 times 3 is 6. Signs are different, so it's a negative 6. To perform the last addition, I notice that I'm adding with similar signs. 6 and 5 is 11, and I keep the common sign to get a negative 11. The parentheses are really non-essential here. I tend to keep them, but if you didn't, that's fine also. Here's another one. In this problem, we have 1, 2, 3 operators. Starting in the first set of parentheses, I'm adding. Signs are the same. I add the absolute values to get 9, and I keep the common sign for a negative 9. In the second set, I'm again adding, and signs are the same. So I'll add the absolute values and get 7, and keep the common sign, and I'll have negative 7. In the last step, I have to multiply. 9 and 7 is 63. Signs are the same. When you're multiplying and signs are the same, the result is positive. So my product is a positive 63. And here's the last one for this video. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 operators. The multiplications will come first, and then I'll add left to right. Starting with the first product, 4 times 2 is 8. Signs are different. It's a negative 8. Next, I move to the product at the end. 6 times 1 is 6. Signs are different. It's a negative 6. I'm left with two additions. When I add, and signs are the same, I add the absolute values. In this case, I'd get 14, and then I keep the common sign, so it's a negative 14. And finally, I add the 14 and the 6 and get 20. And again, since I'm adding, the signs are the same. I keep the common sign. It's negative 20. Well, that concludes our video about adding integers with similar signs. In the next video, we'll practice adding integers that have different signs.